हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सभी। मैं आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत करती हूँ अपने इस यूट्यूब चैनल में, जिसमें हम अपने जेनेटिक्स के बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस की प्रैक्टिस करने वाले हैं। जिसमें हमने पहले कवर किया था प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस एंड वेरिएशंस, एंड उसके बाद ख़त्म किया था मॉलिक्यूलर बेसिस ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस, जिसमें हमने पूरा थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट कवर किया था। और आज हम उनके बेसिस पे सारे क्वेश्चंस को कवर करने वाले हैं। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं अपना मॉलिक्यूलर बेसिस ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस के फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से। सिंथेसिस ऑफ न्यूक्लिक एसिड ऑलवेज टेकन प्लेस इन, जब सिंथेसिस होता है न्यूक्लिक एसिड का, जब सिंथेसिस होता है न्यूक्लिक एसिड का, तो किस प्लेस से होता है वो? 3' to 5', 5' to 3', बोथ, या इन एनी डायरेक्शन। जो होता है 5' to 3'। दिस अ करेक्ट ऑप्शन। डीएनए चेन इनिशिएशन फेज ड्यूरिंग रेप्लिकेशन, डीएनए चेन का जो फेज होता है जिसमें रेप्लिकेशन होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? फॉर्मेशन स्टेपस्टोन, एक्टिवेशन डीऑक्सीराइबोन्यूक्लिक एसिड, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ओकाजाकी फ्रैगमेंट, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ रेप्लिकेशन फॉक्सटेट। इसका आंसर सकते हैं एक्टिवेशन ऑफ डीऑक्सीराइबोन्यूक्लिक एसिड, क्योंकि हम उसको एक्टिवेट कर रहे हैं उस जगह से। व्हाट इज़ कॉल्ड अ ग्रिफिथ इफेक्ट? क्या है ग्रिफिथ इफेक्ट? डीएनए रेप्लिकेशन, डीएनए ट्रांसलेशन, बैक्टीरियल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, या बैक्टीरियल ट्रांसडक्शन। उसमें हमने देखा तो ग्रिफिथ ने क्या किया था, बैक्टीरिया का ट्रांसफ़र किया था उसमें। ठीक है, तो इसका ये हमारा करेक्ट ऑप्शन। जेनेटिक इंफॉर्मेशन इज कैरिड बाय द लॉन्ग चेन मॉलिक्यूलर विच आर मेड अप ऑफ, किस चीज़ से बनी होती है? अमीनो एसिड, न्यूक्लियोटाइड, क्रोमोसोम, या एंजाइम्स। ये बनी होती है न्यूक्लियोटाइड से। बाय विच बॉन्ड द प्यूरिन्स एंड pyrimidines पेयर्स ऑफ अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री स्ट्रैंड्स ऑफ डीएनए हेल्ड टुगेदर। ये कौन सी है? एच बॉन्ड से बना होता है, उसमें हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड होता है उसमें। स्टेट द नेचर ऑफ द सिंथेसिस ऑफ द टू स्ट्रैंड्स ऑफ अ डीएनए डुप्लीकेट। आइडेंटिकल कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री होते हैं, एंटी पैरेलल कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री होता है, डिसिमिलर नॉन कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री होते हैं, एंटी पैरेलल नॉन कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री। ये होता है एंटी पैरेलल कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री। द कोड UAUG स्टैंड फॉर, किस चीज़ के लिए स्टैंड करते हैं? क्वालिन, मिथ्योनिन एंड प्रोमेटिन। ये कोड करते हैं मिथ्योनिन के लिए। द सीक्वेंस ऑफ द 3 constituent base and at 3 RNA molecule which specially binds to a, किस चीज़ से बाइंड करता है? ट्रिपल कोडोन्स होते हैं, नॉन साइंटिक होता है, एंटी कोडोन होता है, टर्मिनल ये होता है एंटी कोडोन। अ कोडोन इज मेड अप ऑफ, कोडोन किस चीज़ से बना होता है? सिंगल न्यूक्लियोटाइड से, 2 न्यूक्लियोटाइड से, 3 न्यूक्लियोटाइड, या 4 न्यूक्लियोटाइड। ये बना होता है 3 न्यूक्लियोटाइड से। न्यूक्लियस ऑफ अ सेल इज द साइट ऑफ अ सिंथेसिस ऑफ, न्यूक्लियस ऑफ अ सेल इज द साइट ऑफ सिंथेसिस। क्या साइज है इसका? डीएनए, आरएनए, डीएनए, एमआरएनए, टीआरएनए, या ऑल? इसका आंसर है ऑल। डीएनए रेप्लिकेशन रिक्वायर्स, किस चीज़ का रिक्वायर होती है डीएनए रेप्लिकेशन? डीएनए पॉलीमरेज इन लाइगेज ओनली, या आरएनए पॉलीमरेज? इसमें डीएनए पॉलीमरेज और लाइगेज दोनों की ज़रूरत होती है। द एंजाइम इन्वॉल्व द ट्रांसक्रिप्शन इज आरएनए पॉलीमरेज। एंजाइम्स नीडेड द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ रेप्लिकेशन फोक। आरएनए पॉलीमरेज एंड डीएनए पॉलीमरेज फेज 1, हेलिकेज एंड लाइगेज। इसमें ज़रूरत होती है हेलिकेज है, बाकी एल पढ़नी होती है। ओकाजाकी फ्रैगमेंट्स आर सिंथेसिस ऑन, ओकाजाकी फ्रैगमेंट्स कैसे होते हैं? लैगिंग स्ट्रैंड ऑफ डीएनए ओनली। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज यूज्ड डीएनए मल्टीप्लिकेशन? कौन सी चीज़ है जो यूज़ होती है डीएनए के मल्टीप्लिकेशन में? आरएनए पॉलीमरेज, डीएनए एंडोन्यूक्लियस, डीएनए एंडोन्यूक्लियस, डीएनए पॉलीमरेज। इसका आंसर डीएनए पॉलीमरेज यूज होती है। नेक्स्ट, tRNA attached amino acid site at is 3 prime एंटी कहाँ से अटैच होता है 3 prime. DNA acts as a template for a synthesis of DNA, RNA, DNA, both A B. Anti-parallel strand of a DNA is due to discrepant linkage hydrogen bond इसमें होता है. Multiplication of DNA is called translation, replication, reduction, transcription. Replication. Which of the smallest RNA? कौन सा smallest RNA? rRNA, mmRNA, tRNA या nuclear RNA? इसका आंसर है tRNA. Genetic information is transferred from nucleus to cytoplasm all cell of cell thought. DNA, RNA, lysosome या anticodon? इसका आंसर है rRNA. The information from RNA to DNA are transferred by which process? किस चीज़ के थ्रू ट्रांसफ़र होता है? रिवर्स ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के थ्रू, क्योंकि DNA से फिर RNA बन रहा है. This statement is correct. Degeneracy of code related to a third member of codon. In single codons code for a more than one nucleotide. In codon first two base are more specific. बिल्कुल सही. In code third base is verbal. Code is universal. तो इसका आंसर हम देंगे B. DNA molecule has uniform diameter due to double strand presence of phosphate, specific base pairing between purines and pyrimidines. In the transcription unit, promoters to SAD to be located towards 3' end of a structural gene, 5' end of structural gene, 5' end of structural gene. In DNA replication, the primer is a small deoxyribonucleotide polymer. A small ribonucleotide polymer. Non-sense codon take part in formation of unspecified amino acid, termination message of a gene, controlling gene synthesis. Select the correct sequence of the following replication. Correct sequence देखना है. replication single strand, helicase, topoisomers. Which of the following enzyme can detect and correct the wrong insertion base during DNA replication? DNA phosphation. Which one is a ribosome? Helicase, ribonucleotide, peptide transfer, या both BC. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? कौन है जो इसमें correctly match नहीं है? Recombinant DNA forming a गलत. Purines, nitrogen based cytosine and uracil. Which of the following is correct match? Ribosomal RNA carry amino acid to the site of protein synthesis. Transcription process by the which protein is synthesis. Translation process by which mRNA carry the information of nuclear ribosome. Anticodon site of tRNA binds to the mRNA. Which is the not step of translation? कौन है जो translation का step नहीं है? Initiation, elongation, termination, replication वो नहीं है. The enzyme amino acetyl tRNA synthesis facility during two neighboring amino acid on ribosome. A top of amino acid of tRNA molecule. State the anticodon of initiation codon of a protein synthesis. UAC. Which is the energy source of the process of elongation? कौन सा सोर्स है elongation का? ATP, GTP. What does a gene consist of? Promoter, initiation, termination, coding, all of these. Name of the enzyme needed for lactose catabolism in E. coli. Beta galactose permease transfer. What does operon contain? Regulator gene, promoter, operator gene, structural gene, regulator gene promoter. Select the correct match of the Lac-Operon model. Active repressor, inducer, inactive repressor. In a relation of the operon in E. coli, which protein is not regulated by the repressor? Which is the not correct regarding the activity of helicase during the DNA replication? Cut hydrogen bonds, require ATP, separate DNA strand, stabilizing stading strand. Which of the following enzymes is not produced by E. coli during the lactose catabolism? Beta galactosides, thyrogalactosides, lactodeoxy. Which is the incorrect statement regarding HGP? HGP is an Indian scientific research project. No, these are correct. Humans have approximately dash time more than E. coli. 15. Which of the following is not according to a Karp's rule? A T के लिए स्टैंड करता है, T G के लिए, C G के लिए. Select the correct answer of the following. लाइगेज का क्या काम है? इसमें हमें ट्रू फॉल्स बताने जो उनसे करेक्ट है. लाइगेज जॉन शॉर्ट segments of a DNA together. DNA polymers क्या करते हैं? कट द DNA specific sequence. Helicases break the hydrogen bond between the complementary pairs of DNA replication. Glycases join a weak hydrogen bonds between a complementary pair. तो इसका आंसर है हमारा 1-3. DNA replication in eukaryote. Unidirectional with many origins, bidirectional with many origins. Amino acid lysine, serine and adenine are coded by all how many codons? 6 codes respectively. Which of the following amino acids is coded by the 3 codon? Isoleucine. How many nucleotides make one Okazaki fragments in a eukaryote? 100 to 200. Which of the following enzyme have the process of formation of a phosphodiester bond during the reverse transcription? DNA dependent RNA polymer, DNA dependent DNA polymer, RNA dependent RNA polymer, RNA dependent DNA polymer. The two strands of a DNA molecule are separate and one of them is analyzed for its A plus T, G plus C ratio. This is found to be a 0.2. What is the ratio of the other strand? 0.2. Same रहेगा. DNA replication is lagging strand of most of the eukaryotic organism is conservative and continuous, semi-conservative but discontinuous. हाउ मैनी बेस कंसिस्ट इन एन एवरेज जीन? 3000. अब हमें इसमें मैच करना है. लेस देन 2% जीनोम. 3 बिलियन न्यूक्लियोटाइड बेस पेयर नहीं. 231 जीन नहीं. कोड फॉर प्रोटीन्स. क्रोमोसोम 1 3 बिलियन न्यूक्लियोटाइड एसिड्स होते हैं. वाई क्रोमोसोम 2231 जीन या 2968. इसके 3231 जीन और इसके बाद हीमोन जीन. तो इसका आंसर पी का 4 सी. स्टेट द यूज़ ऑफ मॉलिकुलर मेडिसिन. क्या है मॉलिकुलर मेडिसिन? इम्प्रूव फॉर डायग्नोसिस ऑफ डिजीज, यूज एज अ जीन थेरेपी, यूज ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग सर्वल डिजीज लाइक. इसका आंसर है ऑल ऑफ द अबव. अमंग द फॉलोइंग विच इज़ यूज फॉर सेपरेशन ऑफ अ डीएनए फ्रेगमेंट्स. डीएनए फ्रेगमेंट्स को सेपरेट करने का क्या काम होता है? कौन करता है? इलेक्ट्रोफोरेसिस के थ्रू होता है. इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डीएनए नॉट डायरेक्टली इन्वॉल्व. डीएनए किसमें डायरेक्टली इन्वॉल्व नहीं है? ट्रांसलेशन में. ट्रांसक्रिप्शन बीइंग विच व्हेन वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एंजाइम बाइंड टू अ प्रोमोटर साइट. आरएनए पॉलीमर. व्हाट डज ए बी रिप्रेजेंट? ए और बी क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं? क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं ए एंड बी? ए क्या है? दिस स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ हेलिकेज. ये क्या है? हेलिकेज का स्ट्रक्चर है. एंड ये है सिंगल स्ट्रैंड बाइंडिंग प्रोटीन जो बाइंड करते हैं. नेक्स्ट, स्टेट द प्रोसेस ऑफ अ मेंशन एंड लेबल द प्रमोशन. एक्स एंड वाई और जेड को हमें पहचानना है. एक्स क्या है? हमारा आरएनए पॉलीमर. और वाई है हमारा डीएनए टेम्पलेट. क्या है? डीएनए टेम्पलेट. और जो जेड है वो हमारे डीएनए पॉलीमरेज. क्या है? तो इसका आंसर ये है. नेक्स्ट, पी क्यू आर को हमें लेबल करना है. पी इज़ अ एंटीकोडोन. ये हमारा एंटीकोडोन लूप है. क्यू इज़ अ वेरिएबल लूप. ये हमारा वेरिएबल लूप है. ये हमारा चाइल्ड लूप है. एस आर जो है हमारा वो चाइल्ड लूप है. टी एस जो है हमारा डी लूप है. तो आंसर नंबर ए. 66. विच स्टेट रिप्रेजेंट बाय द अबव मॉडल. क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है? रिप्रेजेंट द लैक ऑफ प्रोन. लैक ऑफ प्रोन है ये हमारा. When does the structure of gene lack of prone which on? Which on? इसमें कुछ कमी है. क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट नहीं है. What does X represent in the above diagram? X क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है हमारा? रिलीज पॉलीपेप्टाइड चेन. क्या रिलीज करे? पॉलीपेप्टाइड चेन. What does X represent? X क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है इसमें? सीक्वेंस ऑफ अ डीएनए कोडिंग स्पेसिफिक प्रोटीन. अब हमें इसमें किसके लिए कोड कर रही है? एंटीकोडोन. ए जी यू. AGU. In the genetic code, describe how many codons are used in the code of 20 essential amino acids. किसके लिए कोड करता है ये? 61. What would be the happen if in a gene anti-codon polypeptide of a 50 amino acid 25th codon UAU is mutated of UAA? Polypeptide of 24 amino acid be like a form. Which of the following triplet code is is correctly matched with the specific for amino acids? UCG start, UU stop codon, tyrosine. What does lac refers for which? What will be called the lac apron? Lactose. The following ratio of a constant for a given specific species के सारी species के लिए कौन है जो constant है? G plus C, A plus D. During a transcription, if the nucleotide sequence of the DNA strands that is being coded ATACG, which of the following make the RNA template to synthesis DNA? Reverse transcription. Protein synthesis is an animal cell occur only on the ribosome present in a cytosol, only on ribosome attached to the nuclear envelope and endoplasmic reticulum, on the ribosome present in the nucleus as well as in cytoplasm, on the ribosome present is a cytoplasm as well as in mitochondria. E. coli cell with a mutant Z gene in the lac apron cannot grow in a medium containing only lactose as the source of energy house because the lac apron is continuously active in the cell. They cannot synthesize the function of beta galactose. Amino acid sequence in the protein synthesis is detected by the sequence of rRNA, tRNA, mRNA. Antiparallel strands of a DNA molecule means that only one strand turns clockwise, one strand turns anticlockwise. The phosphate group of two DNA strands are their ends of share the same position. The phosphate group at the start of two DNA strands are the opposite position. Polysome is formed by a ribosome with a several subunit ribosome attached to the each other in a linear arrangement. Several ribosomes are arranged to the single mRNA. In the DNA molecule, क्या होता है DNA? The phosphate of adenine is in relation to the thymine varies with the organism. There are two strands which is antiparallel 5' to 3', 3' to 5'. Semi-conservative replication of a DNA was first demonstrated in E. coli, whose experiment cracked the DNA and discovered the E. coli that as a genetic cause is a triplet. Hirschenstein, Morgan and Sweetman, Banden, Tapton, Nagran and Myth. Select the two correct statement of the four statement above lac apron. Glucose and galactose may bind with the represent of an inactive it. In the absence of a lactose, the repressor bind with the operator region. The Z gene codes for a primase. This was included by the which one of the following does not follow the central dogma of molecular biology? P. Mucus, HIV. The leg operon is consists of 4 regulatory genes, only 1 regulatory gene and 3 structural genes. The 3' to 5' phosphodiester linkage inside a polynucleotide chain serve to join one DNA strand with the other DNA strand, one nucleoside with the other, one nucleotide with another nucleotide. Ribosomal RNA is inactive synthesized by lysosome nucleus. If one strand of a DNA has the nitrogenous base sequence of ATCG, what would be the complementary RNA strand is UAGAC. Initiation codon of a protein synthesis is GOA, GCA, CCA, AUG. Semi-conservative DNA replication using a N15 was demonstrated by Malson. In operon consists of operator gene combined with regulatory protein of a switch of the structural gene of transcription. Termination of polypeptide chain is brought about by UAA, UAG, UGA. RNA that pick up a specific amino acid from amino acid pole of cytoplasm to carry it to ribosome during a protein synthesis. tRNA. Correct sequence of the code transfer during the polypeptide formation. DNA, mRNA, tRNA, amino acids. Best method of determine the paternary is protein synthesis, ribosome, gene containing DNA fingerprinting. DNA is copied from a mRNA molecule with the help of reserved transcription. This question is homework. Nucleotide arranged in a DNA can be seen by X-ray crystallography. Pneumonocoque experiment provide data that DNA genetic material. A DNA nucleotide chain. This sequence is nucleotide sequence. Another chain would be घातक. A function unit of synthesis of protein is polysome. VNTR is employed for DNA fingerprinting. Out of 64 codons, 61 code for 20 amino acid. It is due to degeneracy of a genetic code. Okazaki fragments are joined by an enzyme. DNA ligase. Heat killed pathogenic cell and lived non-pathogenic cell are mixed and the injection of a mice. The result would be mice develop disease and die. Represent the correct manner of replication. Diagram represents central dogma of a molecular biology. Choose the correct combination of labeling. A is a DNA. B is a RNA. C is a protein. D is transcription. E is a translation. Option number B. Next, principle of inheritance and variation. Individual having a dissimilar traits, alleles of a homologous chromosomes are called dominant. An allele is a considered dominant when it expresses even the presence of a alternate allele. Mendel dihybrid ratio is 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. Mendel studied a 7 contrasting character for his breeding experiment with the Pisum sativum. With which of the following characters did not used? किस चीज़ का उसने यूज़ नहीं किया था? Leaf shape. An organism with two identical alleles of a gene is called homozygous. Which principle of inheritance was not given by a Mendel? Linkage. When dominant BB and recessive BB cross the percent of progeny showing the parental genotypic 50%, 0%, क्योंकि all are dominant. The year 1908 is highly sufficient for a genetic due to rediscovery of Mendelism. The process by which the segregation of Mendel factors take place, meiosis, which would be the most probably by the genetic makeup of the present parents of a color-blinding daughter, carried mother and normal father. If a heterozygous tall plant is crossed with a homozygous dwarf plant, dwarf would-be progeny will be 50%. When would-be tall plants are crossed, 45 tall plants and 14 dwarf are obtained. The genotypic of a parent is which of the following is not a dominant character selected by Mendel in Prism? Yellow pod color. Variation can occur due to mutation, recombination, fertilization, all of the above. Who discovered the phenomena of the incomplete dominance in marbles and anthenium? Charles Connors. How many types of gametes are produced by a 3 hybrid? 8. 8. And dihybrid heterozygous tall plant with a round seed is crossed with a dissimilar genotype. What is the percent of a parent should be passed the genotype? 25%. A cross by a changing the source of ovum is reciprocal cross. When the phenotypic and a genotypic ratio resemble in the F2 generation, it is example of incomplete dominance. In what situation the phenotypic of dihybrid cross would be exhibit parental combination of a character in a more than the expected value of a recombination in the less than the expected value? When supplementary genes are present. When the dihybrid TTR plants are self-fertilized, the percentage of these distinct would be heterozygous of the one character of homozygous for another. एक मिनट, इसका आंसर सी है और इसका आंसर 50%. In a double heterozygous plant, 4 types of gametes are produced. This illustrated the law of independent assortment. Backcross with the recessive plant parents recessive parents is called test cross. If a gene has multiple effects, is called poliotropism. Maize has 10 pair of chromosomes. How many linkage group of should be possessed? 10. 10. Linkage gene may be separated by Crossover. Crossing over the diploid organism is responsible for recombination of linkage gene. Crossing over the take place between non-sister chromatids of a homozygous chromosome. If the distance between the gene of chromosome is more than the linkage strength is less. Drosophila melanozostera has 3 pair of autosomal and 1 pair of sex chromosome. A trisomic individual has a chromosome number of 2n plus 1. Among the following, which of the best chemical for inducing the polyploidy? Polycosine. Down syndrome is an example of trisomy. Which of the following is a 6 into haploid exploid wheat? Jetson. The Hendrick gene are located on Y chromosome. If a haploid number of a chromosome in a plant is 12, then the number of chromosomes in monochromatic is 23. Alleles are paired in a diploid organism. Inheritance of a flower occur is an example of incomplete dominant which is seen in Anthurium. Hemophilia, most likely organism, is a result of a separation of two homozygous chromosomes. Chromosome complement within a 2n-1 is called as a monosomy. The most strictly example of a point mutation is found in a disease called sex-linked anemia, in which of the following females are heterogenetic. Fold. Cancer is a common feature is seen in Klinefelter syndrome. X0 type of sex determination is seen in grasshopper. Which of the following is not a Mendelian disorder? Turner syndrome. How many type of phenotypic possible for a ABO blood group? 4. A person affected with a phenylalanine lacks enzymes that convert the amino acid panthenol into tyrosine. Hemophilia in man is due to sex-linked inheritance. In X0 type of sex determination is male produces single type of gametes. Which one of the following cannot be example on the basis of Mendel law of dominance? Alleles do not show an binding and both of character reserves such as the F2 generation. The genotypic of a plant showing the dominant phenotype determine the test cross. Which of the following continuous condition correctly describe the manner of determining the sex in the given example? F2 generation in a Mendelian cross showing that the both genotypic and phenotypic ratio is the same as 1:2:1 is represented the monocross of incomplete dominance. Alleles which are expressed only in pair in similar is allele is recessive. Among the following traits are Mendel studies choose the recessive one. Terminal flower When a dominant AA recessive are cross present of a progeny showing the parental type of will be 50%, 0%. A normal vision man whose father was colorblind married woman whose father is also colorblind. They have their first child as a daughter with a chance of that this child will be blind. 25%. The incomplete statement with regards to a hemophilia is it is a dominant disease. A person with a blood group AB is considered as a universal recipient because it has both A and B antigens on RBC but no antibodies in plasma. A parent with unknown blood group needs an immediate blood transfer. The group of one can be denoted will be blood group O. Which Mendelian idea is displayed by the cross in the which of the F1 generation resemble both parents? Codominance. An F2 hybrid generation will have 9 types of genotypic. Who among the following is not concerned the rediscovery of Mendelism? The diploid number of a Drosophila melanozoster 8. The linkage phenotypic explained the first by T.H. Morgan. Who put the forward crossing theory of recombination? Jensen. In honeybees, the male have only one set of chromosomes. The male have a single sex chromosome. The male produce progeny by a first child of a normal couple is phenylketonuria. The probability of a second male child is affected will be 25%. Mutation of an single gene may be micromutation, point mutation, gene mutation, all of these. A normal man whose father was hemophilic marry a woman whose father and a hemophilic. They have first child a daughter. What will the chance of would be? 50%. The thalassemia beta is located on 11th chromosome. Choose the sex influence trait. Pattern blindness. Clothing